As we prepare for your return, we've set up a lot of new protocols for cleaning, disinfecting, and our own personal protection while we're on site. We have a large array of different cleansers, hand sanitizers, and disinfectants that you'll be seeing in your classroom and that you'll be using to help keep yourself safe. Also, your teachers, when you come back in the classroom, most of them will be wearing a mask that'll look very similar to mine with also a face shield on it. Along with that, we have gloves available. We have several different type of masks depending on the situation that we use the LNI risk level matrix for. So we have the cloth mask. We have these 3-ply masks that the students will be wearing all the way up to N95 masks. In addition to that, we have goggles, we have the face shields, and we have gowns. So we're prepared to use the proper PPE all the way from low risk to high risk situations. Then, in addition to our disinfecting, on the school buses, we have static sprayers. These electrostatic sprayers will be used at the end of the day to spray down all of the buses, and occasionally in classroom settings as needed, we'll be spraying down also.